Hello, I'm Joshua Brown from howtobecome.com, a leading interview training company that has helped millions of candidates worldwide prepare to pass their job interviews. And in today's video, I am going to help you succeed in your University College London Hospital's NHS Foundation Trust interview. Oh, and don't forget to let me know which job role you are applying for in the comment section below, so I can personally give you extra interview tips and questions. UCLH style interview question number 1 is tell me about yourself, your interview introduction. Here is a fantastic top scoring answer to help you. Thank you for this opportunity. I've worked in healthcare for the past few years, supporting patients in both ward and outpatient settings. I'm someone who takes pride in being organised, approachable and compassionate, especially when helping patients or families that are anxious. What really draws me to UCLH is its reputation as one of the leading teaching hospitals in the UK, combining world-class care with groundbreaking research. I admire the way the Trust focuses on innovation while never losing sight of kindness and patient dignity. I'm known for being calm under pressure and for working well in a team. I also enjoy learning new skills and adapting to change, which I know is important in such a dynamic environment. I'm excited to bring those qualities here where I can contribute to outstanding patient care while continuing to grow. That's a great answer. It really works because I give a short, clear background about my experience, but then I link myself directly to UCLH's identity as a world-class teaching and research hospital. I show I'm compassionate, organised and calm under pressure, which are exactly the qualities they look for. Okay, let's move on to question number 2. What are the values and vision of University College London Hospital's NHS Foundation Trust? Now, this question is being asked to test if you know UCLH's values and if your approach to work aligns with them. So make sure in your answer you name the values word for word and give a short example of how you already put them into practice. Here is a fantastic top scoring answer to help you come up with your own brilliant response. What are the values and vision of UCLH? The vision of UCLH is to deliver top quality patient care, excellent education and world-class research. It's about improving health not just locally, but nationally and internationally through innovation and collaboration. The values are safety, kindness, teamwork and improving. I really connect with these. For example, I always put safety first by following procedures carefully and double-checking details. Kindness is at the heart of how I work, treating patients and families with respect and empathy. I believe in teamwork, supporting colleagues so we can achieve the best outcomes together, and I'm committed to improving by learning new skills and reflecting back on feedback. These values are important because they don't just shape patient care, they also create a positive culture for staff. That's a great answer. I name the vision and values word for word, which proves I've done my research. Then I give quick, practical examples of how I already demonstrate those values. Safety, kindness, teamwork, and improving. That makes the answer authentic and aligned to what UCLH expects. Now, don't go anywhere as I still have plenty more interview questions and brilliant answers to give you, but when you're ready, and only if you want to, you can click that link in the top right-hand corner or in the pinned comment below the video at any point during this training. It will take you through to my website, howtobecome.com, where you can download my top 30 University College London Hospitals NHS Foundation Trust style interview questions and answers suitable for all job roles to give you the edge in your interview. Okay, question number 3. Why did you apply for the role? This question's being asked to check your motivation and whether you've thought about why this role at this trust is right for you. Make sure in your answer you link your answer to the role, link your personal strengths, your career goals, and highlight UCLH's unique strengths. Here is a fantastic top scoring answer to help you. Why did you apply for the role? I applied because this role is the perfect opportunity to use my skills to support patients while developing further in a world-class hospital environment. UCLH has a reputation for clinical excellence and innovation, and I want to be a part of that. The role excites me because it combines direct patient care with the chance to work in a busy, fast-paced setting where teamwork and professionalism are key. I'm someone who enjoys supporting others, staying calm under pressure, and being part of a team that makes a difference every day. I also value the fact that UCLH is a teaching hospital, so I know there will be opportunities to learn and grow. That really motivated me to apply because I want to keep improving while contributing to outstanding patient care. This answer shows that I've thought about why this specific role at UCLH appeals to me. I connect my own strengths, like being calm under pressure and enjoying teamwork, with what the role demands. I also highlight UCLH's teaching focus, which shows I'm motivated to grow with them. Let's move on to question number 4. Why do you want to work for UCLH? Now, this question is being asked to see if you understand what makes UCLH unique and if your values and ambitions align with its mission. Make sure you be specific about UCLH's mission in your answer. Be specific about its reputation for research, teaching, and patient care. How does that motivate you to want to work for UCLH? Here is a brilliant top-scoring answer to help you. I want to work for UCLH because it's recognised as one of the leading NHS trusts in the country, with a strong reputation for patient care, research, and education. I'd be proud to contribute to an organisation that not only delivers excellent care, but also pioneers new treatments and improves outcomes for patients on a global scale. I'm also drawn to the trust's values of safety, kindness, teamwork, and improving. These reflect the way I like to work, putting safety first, showing compassion, supporting colleagues, and always learning. What excites me most is being part of a teaching hospital that invests in its people and encourages innovation. I want to contribute to my skills to this environment while continuing to grow and develop as part of a team that's shaping the future of healthcare. Again, a great answer. I make it clear I know what sets UCLH apart, its reputation for patient care, research, and teaching. I also link their values to my own ways of working, which shows alignment. Finally, I show long-term motivation by saying I want to grow and develop with them. Now, what I've done to help you pass your University College London Hospital's NHS Foundation Trust interview is compile a list of the most common questions you must prepare strong answers to, such as, what will be your biggest challenge coming into this role at UCLH? How would you deal with a challenging interaction with a relative? How would you put a patient first in your work? What is safeguarding, and how would you implement it in your work at UCLH? Describe how you've demonstrated NHS core values in the past. Tell us about a time you dealt with a difficult patient. Tell us how you've improved a service in the trust. How would you demonstrate confidentiality in your work at University College London Hospital's NHS Foundation Trust? What is the best thing about the NHS? What is clinical governance in the National Health Service? How would you help promote equality, diversity, and inclusion in your team at UCLH? So those are just some of the key questions that you should be preparing for. But if you want the full list of the top 30 University College London Hospital's NHS Foundation Trust style interview questions, plus brilliant example answers to help you pass at your first attempt, click the link in the top right hand corner or in the pinned comment below for 2 reasons. Firstly, this will take you through to my website, howtobecome.com, where you'll get all of the answers we've covered today, plus a total of 30 expertly crafted responses to the most commonly asked UCLH style interview questions. Secondly, and as a bonus, I've also included 3 smart questions you should ask at the end of your interview on that page to make a lasting impression. It's a powerful resource designed to put you ahead of the competition, so make sure you check it out. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm on a mission to help as many people as possible pass their job interviews, and I can only do that if you are subscribed. Also, hit that like button if you found this useful. It really helps motivate me to create more videos like this for you. If you have any questions about this role or any other job interview, drop them in the comments below. I reply to all comments with tips and advice. And finally, don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. The link is in the description. I love connecting with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best with your UCLH interview. Have a brilliant day.